can you please respond to the question of the court?
Yes, Your Honor. On the part of the item letter A, Your Honor, the PhilHealth, particularly on the individual based, Your Honor. Of course, the population base is being financed by the Department of Health. Now, Your Honor, every patient, every Filipino will be accorded by the National Health Insurance Program, Your Honor. Meaning, kung papasok po sila sa hospital, ay kino-covered po ng PhilHealth. Whether they are contributing or whether wala pong contribution. As mandated in this particular section 6A, Your Honor. So in other words, Your Honor, lahat po na Filipino needed to have a medical intervention, Your Honor, will be covered by PhilHealth, Your Honor.
Right.
On the part of letter
So
B.
what proof can you present to the court showing these specific projects of PhilHealth?
Your Honor, yes, Your Honor, it is the pronouncement of the corporation, Your Honor, that all Filipino citizens needed.
That's a mere pronouncement.
Your Honor.
What is your actual proof that you're complying with this mandate, that you have set up the program for comprehensive outpatient benefit, outpatient drug benefit, and emergency medical services?
Yes, Your Honor. We will submit, Your Honor, a document, Your Honor, that complying with this, Your Honor. And of course, Your Honor, on the part of the benefit claims that we incurred, Your Honor, we can see the increasing numbers of covered members, Your Honor, the time that we implemented the Universal Healthcare Law, Your Honor.
When did you start implementing this program?
Your Honor, the program implemented, signed into law in the year 2019, Your Honor. So with that,
So you started it in 2019?
Yes,
You
Your Honor.
set up the program in 2019?
Meaning, Your Honor, the resident Filipino can avail of the benefits regardless of with contribution.
Yes,
without
my
contribution,
question is, did you set it up immediately in 2019?
Your Honor, yes, there were already some there were already availment along that line, Your Honor, starting year 2019, Your Honor.
In the entire country?
Your Honor, the law, Universal Healthcare Law, is covering the entire country, Your Honor.
But did you set it up in the entire country or just portions of?
Your Honor, the policy of PhilHealth is covering the entire country, Your Honor.
Yes. Have you set it up for the entire country or just certain territories or portions of the island of the Philippines?
Your Honor, that is the entire country, Your Honor.
All right. So how many have you set up?
Your Honor, when I say set up, Your Honor, the policy of PhilHealth, the implementation of the Universal Healthcare Law that covers every Filipino, Your Honor, implemented nationwide, Your Honor.
All right. Show us proof
Yes,
of
Your
that.
Honor.
What is the Health Technology Assessment Council?